So guys, I am outside taking the grocery from my car, but then I look at the wood of my car. Look at this big bird poop. You see how big it is? Look. OMG. Wow. Look, it came from up here. Look at that. It must be luck. I know when I was growing up, and this is like a saying that when bird poop on your car is good luck. And this is a big poop. Are you freaking kidding me? I guess I'm gonna hit the jackpot. Universe is bringing me abundant wealth, money, and success. Look at that. My BMW covered with poop, and it's not a small poop, it's a big poop. And earlier there was a bee on my windshield. Money, 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 money.